This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, front and rear reading lights, side curtain airbags, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, and power windows. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.